Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been obsessed with green, blue, and purple lately, as you've seen from all my alien looks, and I decided to do a look dedicated to just those three colors today. I used my neon pigments from Makeup a Murder, and without further ado, if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. First, using my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot on an M421 brush, I'm going to begin by priming my eyes. And now I'm going to buff this out using my M173 brush. Now on an M433 brush, I'm going to pick up the neon green pigment and pack that on the inner third of my eye. Now I'm going to pack the blue right next to that and then the purple, and I'm going to make the purple kind of at an angle. And I'm just taking that blue pigment on the same kind of brush. Going to go back in with the green a little bit. Back in with the blue. And now on an M441 brush, I'm going to take the purple. Now I'm going to go back in with the blue to help intensify it. And then again with that green. And I'm just going to go back and forth with that blue and green until I'm happy with the blending. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to pause the eyes for a minute and move on to the face. First I'm going to prime using a new product. I'm going to be trying the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Jeffree Star did a review on this on his channel, and because of that positive review, it's been sold out in all stores. So I finally have been able to find it after searching for a long time. It is said to be comparable to the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, which is, I believe, $52, maybe $42, I'm not sure. It's pretty expensive, and this one was less than $10. So let's just go ahead and apply this. I'm not sure how to really do it, but I've seen some people go in with their sponge, so I'm going to do that with my Morphe sponge. Here's it on the sponge. So far, it feels very moisturizing, which is good. And although it is supposed to be sheer, I can see a little bit of color like where I'm placing it on my face, which is good. It is getting a little weird on my nose. I'm not really sure if I'm using too much or what is causing that. So my skin is a little tacky and ready for foundation. It's not too sticky or anything over the top. So let's see how foundation lays. I'm just going to use my normal ColourPop foundation for this. I got a new one finally. Alright, so now I'm just going to blend this out and see how it looks. Alright, so it is kind of settling into my pores and fine lines, which is interesting. I felt like it would do the opposite, but let's just keep going and see how it looks later. So now I'm going to conceal the highest points of my face using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is kind of hard to blend out with my sponge because it does keep settling into my finer lines. I'm going to just use the same brush that I used for my primer to help blend around my eyes. Now I'm going to set everywhere that we just concealed using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 05. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using a Morphe M527 brush and the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Press Powder. Now I'm going to zoom you in so we can finish off the eyes. I'm just going to do the same color pattern on my lower lash line, add some liner, and then some lashes. So I'm going in with the green pigment. I'm going to change to a smaller brush to do this. I'm going to just use a M431 brush. Now for the blue pigment. And then the purple. Alright, now I'm going to add some liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. I'm actually going to be applying some black liner in my waterline as well. Alright, the eyes are all done, so now let's finish off the face. So everything about my face routine is just the same. I'm going to contour using my E4 brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. Going to contour my nose using an E62 brush. Going to highlight using Gumdrop from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit on an M501 brush. Going to place this on my nose and Cupid's bow as well. And the tiniest bit on my brow bone. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to use Jeffree Star's I'm Royalty. So here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!